I hate real estate, but
What's your profit going to be?
700.
this is the guy. He's getting you the deal. Investors, they got money. The mirror on the ceiling. Can I buy? Are we taking an elevator?
Because we can.
You guys want to see clear water? This is the best way to look at houses. The goal is to create you like an actual branch. Nothing works here.
Rabbi Roz on the track.
Roz on the track. Yeah, baby, Scorpio. We should have taken the Corolla. Toyota Corolla.
Left onto I.
We're going to listen to some gangster rap, Roz? Rabbi Roz on the track.
Roz on the track. Yeah, baby, Scorpio. Oh, we're going to Clearwater, Florida to see the clown. He's one of our investors.
And then we're going to meet two of our other clients in Lehigh Acres. And this is our lovely driver.
Yeah, they hired me, paid me very, very well.
They call him the king of Uber.
Wow.
Oh, there he is.
Being a clown to like investing is very smart.
I don't know how to sound because I wasn't a clown.
No, I know.
I was a performer.
The kids. Yeah. The 12 units, $1 million. That's like a 2-bedroom, 1 bath.
All to one.
All 2 and 1.
And
how much you rent it for?
800.
I'd rather buy a bigger building
I run it too.
because then it's easier to manage.
Cheaper to manage.
Yeah.
You know where I'm located now? Good maps. Open maps.
Did I shut off the phone? I'm on the phone all the time.
Turkey bacon for you.
Look at this. No, not the property, construction company.
Oh, the construction company.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow, this is the house.
Wow.
So what we call home? Neon lights everywhere, a lift in the middle, elevator. So this is the, ooh. Look at this.
What?
This is very 80s. Replace the carpet, replace the tile. We're gonna repaint everything.
Look at the stairs.
Change everything. Look at the stairs. Look at the elevator.
It's like a party place. How much a house like this worth?
4 million.
4? That's not a lot of money.
Let me show you the house. For a house like this in LA, how much? 20, 15?
Can I buy it?
Yes, that's the house. I didn't want to stop
Are we taking an elevator?
because we can.
Wow.
Stairs from the other side. We're gonna go upstairs later.
This is a house.
Lisa, look at the room. Tiny.
Look at that office, man.
With the mirror on the. I mean,
Like, who has a bathtub in the bedroom?
Johnny.
And the mirror on the
on
ceiling.
top of, yeah, I mean,
That's for
hold on.
professionals.
And neon lights all around.
Has a lot of
It's
potential.
80s.
Yeah,
It's not old.
70s, 80s
I
stuff.
mean, I
Hold on, I gotta do the story. You guys want to see clear water? This is the best way to look at houses right here.
working with you helped me make about a couple of million this year.
Not too shabby.
Hold on, it's another deal.
Hey guys, it's Johnny. I'm here with one of my favorite clients. Actually, my favorite client, Miki Katan. We're outside one of his houses that he's flipping right now. Miki, do you mind sharing with us, the plan and what you've done so far?
This is $1 million house that we bought on the water. Probably is going to bring it to a level where the property worth $2.4 million.
So how much did you put down on the purchase price?
$277.
And how much is the rehab?
The rehab is about $300, and the property costs $1,089,000.
What's your profit going to be?
$700.
So how would you say your overall experience has been working with HMO Investments?
I consider you guys like my partners. We become good friends.
How many properties since we started working together have you acquired?
16. I think that you'll lend me like $4 million.
For those people that are thinking about working with us, would you recommend us?
You don't want to work with somebody else.
You have a professional here about to hit this. Don't look, guys, no pictures, please. No, it needs to go there, right? I'm
gonna stick to basketball.
Go. investors, they got money.
Because we can't do the second, we have to do the first for 1.9.
Where is it at? Palm Beach?
West Palm Beach. It's a medical office. Worth $3 million. Owner occupied from this guy who owns like a senior health facility. Like
They make a lot of money.
And they put like 8 senior living beds in there.
You need to start handling your own loans.
I'm okay with that.
The goal is to create you like an actual branch. You have
I'm
your
okay with
processors, your underwriters. We backing you up all the time, of course. He's making big money on his deal. I want him to focus on his deals. The real sword. Ian?
He's in the throne. What's up? Good to meet you.
I love this chair, man.
I want to ask you, like, what kind of people are we talking to?
Real estate agents.
You're buying properties, right?
I buy properties, yep, and then they
Nice.
all are interested in buying properties too. So they're, going to be investors down the road. I found Yanni by looking him up on Instagram. I just typed in hard money lender on Instagram.
Came up.
First person to come up.
Yeah.
This is Yanni and Johnny.
How are you?
Nativity set over there.
I like serious people. There's not a lot of them. A lot of people, they're more talk than they walk. Clearly see that you can walk the talk. I hate real estate, but I didn't like the fact that I need to go to open houses, to sit in a house for like 2-3 hours. Sometimes 2 people come in, 10 people, sometimes nothing. The literally is really everything. He's gonna lead you here or there. I was a loan officer. I wanted to try different angles of real estate because I love real estate. Real estate, everything to do with real estate is sexy. It's good. There's money, there's good lifestyle. There's on average 1,000 people a day moving to Florida. Everybody's running away from the West Coast. It's so expensive. With our help, we have connections with people that have a lot of money. They're willing to dump it right here. On you guys, you need to make the right moves.
We're going to teach you guys a little bit about hard money loans, business purpose loans for real estate investors. And the biggest thing about, our business purpose loans is we have what's called hard money loans. We have the ability to close deals in as little as days. A lot of people think that hard money loans are only for desperate people with terrible credit, and no one that's smart would pay that much for a hard money loan. That is a myth. There's plenty of real estate investors that we deal with on a regular basis that have 700 plus credit score, they have multiple properties, they have great income, right? But why would they want to pay for a high interest loan on a hard money loan? Why would they do that, right? Well, there's many different reasons for that. One, they want to close quick in 3 days, right? That's one reason. And then once they buy the property, they refinance out. So the rate's not really an issue on a short-term loan if the exit strategy is to either flip, right, or to quickly refinance out into permanent financing. Hard money, we don't care about any of that. It's common sense lending. We just care about the asset itself and to make sure that the borrower has a clear exit strategy. This was a 10 single-family home portfolio refi that we did in Fort Pierce, Florida. There was a lot of challenges with this. Title was held in an irrevocable trust. We ended up getting her $600K cash out after the payoff, 12-month term, 9.99% interest. Literally no bank would touch this loan because it was in an irrevocable trust. But we got this one done in about 4.5 weeks. It was complicated because it was 10 properties.
How do you do a foreclosure loan?
Let's say if somebody is behind on their payment or they try to modification and that didn't work and now oh my god, they get the letter. If let's say the property is worth 400 because now property values went up, so most of these people have equity, but the house was worth 200,000 but now this house is worth 450. So we give them a loan, put the money into an entity and save the property so they can make it an investment property. Or if they want to live there again, so then now we cash them out, we fix their credit, so now they can go into another 30-year loan, or they can do whatever they want.
Or sometimes the investor will buy the property from them and they'll lease it out for 12 months and then they'll have to buy it back from them.
Like, this is a relationship business, and the more resources and tools you can provide your clients, they're gonna do the same for you.
Man, nothing works here. I put it like 3 times already inside. I don't get that. You think you can get like apartment buildings here in the area of Miami, the suburb, with like a 7-8% cap?
To build or to buy?
No, to buy. You can? Brazil is really expensive. You can't touch nothing. I'm thinking about units, like 10 units, 15 units, maybe 20 units.
So you want to buy and not build?
No, I want to buy, rent, and just sit on it.
I got a couple off-market properties. Right now, we're pushing the guy into a forbearance. He's been late on a few payments to us. He owes us $3.6 million. The properties are worth $6 million. 2 quadplexes and then a triplex. So it would be 11 units in West Palm Beach, downtown West Palm Beach.
I want to build on the income, because I don't want to sell the property.
3.6 would be if you bought everything. But I think one was 1.1, another was 700. 2 of them are off market right now. He hasn't put them on. He's going to list. We're putting a lot of pressure on the guy. We have the note. I could sell you the note if you wanted to foreclose on the guy. I'm negotiating with his law firm to give him more time, his attorney, because I don't want him to declare bankruptcy and then trigger it on. He's only a month behind. We just caught up 3 months. He was 4 months behind.
99% of our business comes from brokers. The broker needs to get paid, the loan officer in HML needs to get paid, and we need to get paid, HML.
So if we charge more on rate, but less on points, and carry with it a 6-month prepay or a 9-month prepay, would
6
you rather
months
see
is
that?
good. We can work on the rate because our salespeople trained to sell higher rates to get lower points with our other investors.
I agree with you on the point. With the points though, our investors want to know, hey, if I do the loan and he pays me back in a month and I didn't charge any points, how much interest did I make?
The investors I do business with that charge me no points, it's a 6 months guaranteed.
In order to take away 1 point on the fees, we'd have to increase the rate by 2% if Yanni's charging a 6-month prepay. Because then if they pay it off at 6 months, then we still end up with the 1 point.
So you understand what we need to do?
Yeah, we need to sell the
You need to sell the prepay. A lot of people, they're going to take 1 year prepay, no problem.
They will, yeah.
Commercial, let's say 65%, over $1 million. What are we looking at rate and points?
10 to 12 on rate, and what I think what it comes down to is we have to look at the exit. So we're writing at an 8.5% exit right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Listen, we're good to go on this deal in Orlando.
Yeah.
We talked to the investors right now.
Oh,
this
you're
is
still
Alberto
my
from
yeah.
our branch in Orlando. He was on the phone in his car. This is the guy. He's getting you the deal.
100%.
We'll keep in touch soon.
This is done, right?
Yes. Yeah, let's go.
I didn't look at my computer since 12:05. These were the emails I had at 12:05, and I just refreshed the computer. It's now 4 o'clock, and we have to go through all this. It's gonna be a fun plane ride for me.
Native American Indian,
They get a guaranteed salary.
120,000 for their, even like the parents, they get it, and then the kids get it, and the kids, they keep going because they're still Native American. And you know why they own casinos? Because they don't pay taxes.
Yeah.
They don't pay no tax to anything. Any income they generate, no tax. So I did this loan for a Native American Indian, and her salary was 120,000 guaranteed, and then she makes another salary from her job. Unbelievable, but you took their land. See what happens when you take people's land? You gotta pay for it. You gotta pay for it.
The question is, can I sell hard money with this shirt? You know, I love this place. I love this store. My face is all over. Excuse me. I need help.
Size it.
I lost weight for a reason.
This I have, but I don't know if you like this color.
I do. Large.
Large and the orange?
And this one large too.
Okay.
That's for a girl or a guy? That's unique. Wow. Okay, that's it. Done. That's the first item I'm buying.
Yeah, but it's gonna cost you 2 points.
2 points on this t-shirt?
It's a finder's fee.
I love it. How did the hell we found out this store? The lion is here, babe. Guys, so we are here in the lion shop, and Valerie happened to sell me so many stuff, and now I'm gonna have to go on the flight and check this in. It's gonna cost me another $100 to check it in because of you.
I could ship it for you.
We are making things happen. The lion is taking over the world, guys. Razitup.